Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Professor Sistrunk, and I'm reaching out to my students. I am going to focus on three different classes. I'm going to send this video log out to all of my students. What this video log will detail is how to submit your coursework. That's important. Now, I'm going to start off with my Network Essentials students. CNS 105 Network Essentials, but I'm going to bridge off into other classes with other students just to give clarity. I'm going to keep this short. It will not be long, but if you need more information, students, remember, you can reach me at any time via Zoom. Send me an email. We'll set up a Zoom session, and there we are. We will complete the task of successfully helping you out. Okay, so if you take a look at my screen right here, you see that in my Network Essentials class, I have put down here labs. This folder here is nothing but the labs. I am not putting packet traces in here because I need you to always know where you should go to get your material. And you know you should open up the book, people. So please do that. Okay, so you can click on this folder here, and I'm gonna go in as a student so you can see it just like a student would see it. Hey, we want to, okay, so here we go right here. We are in here like a student. So you're gonna see this folder. Like I said, this is your lab. So make sure that you click on the link so you can get to your lab. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the link for you, and you will see what happened. As you can see, it immediately downloaded itself. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it up real quick. Let's see if it opens up. And guess what? It opened up on my other screen. So I'm gonna drag it over so you guys can see it. Here we go. I'm dragging it over. Okay, so these are your labs and they are in Word. So you shouldn't have a problem with looking at these particular labs. They are in Word. There you go. Now, all you have to do is begin to do the work of whatever lab that you have to do for your lab work. Remember, you got labs, you have packet tracers. Labs, packet tracer. Just call them both assignments. Now, you have all the labs in here, but it's only a few that you will be using, around about 12 of them. But I'm giving you all of them, so just in case you want to do some extra work, there you go. I'm going to close that now. So that's how you will get to your labs. I put it in a D2L shell. Now, I did not put the packet tracers in there, people, so do not say, where are the packet tracers? You know where you should go. And that's what we're going to transition into. And before we go there, though, I want to point out now, make sure you get your discussion question in by tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday. Discussion questions need to be completed. Make sure you do that. I got quite a few students in here who are knocking out the discussion questions. Make sure you do the same thing, people. Get your discussion question in. Okay, read the rules for discussions on how to post. They are critically important. Do not bypass them. Also, you can see right here, we got 7 people up so far. We got quite a few more left in here. So get in here and put your discussion question in here. You get 1 per week, so just make sure you have it. So it's going to total out to 16. Wow. But anyway, you have discussion questions. Okay. Now in the assignment section, once you do that lab, that was a lab or packet tracer, you just simply upload it into here. You click on that link, you upload it. And people, you know how to upload a document. Complete the document. It's in Word format and just upload it. Now with the packet tracers, I said it earlier, you need to put the PKZ file or the PKA file. Well, you may ask, what is the PKZ and the PKA? I'm about to show you. But you should know how to upload a file. It's just simply, you click on here, and guess what happens? You go right here and that is add a file that goes to your desktop computer. So that's basically it about where are your labs so you can finish your labs. Now the packet tracers are a different thing. You know, you're going to go inside of your book. So let's go over to Cisco and take a look at that. We're going to transition into Cisco. Okay, now we are here for Cisco. Now in Cisco, let me just show you a few things for my networking essential. Now, if you are in my other classes, like for instance, my CNS 141, that's my introduction to networking, you're going to follow the same script. You're going to do the same thing. Only thing is, I'm not putting your labs up there because you're more advanced students, and plus you know where your labs and packet tracers are because you're going to be right in the classroom with me. So, hey, you're good. But anyway, let's move on. I don't know why I said you're good, but let's move on. Okay, so outside of talking about taking your pre-test, your pre-test exam, or taking any other exams, you know how to do that. Follow your syllabus, people. Follow your syllabus. Now, for those of you who do not, let's say, for instance, understand this, you need to meet with me ASAP. Don't wait. I'm here. That's what I get paid for. So make sure you show up. Just send me an email and we'll meet. But so I'm not going to talk about exams and pre-test and all that stuff. I'm just going to focus on what's really important, and that's being able to upload your packet traces. Now, the quick way to get to all labs and packet traces, I showed you this before, is simply go into one of the chapters. As you can see, I clicked on Module 1. And once you get in here, you can see it's laid out here. But the real fast way to get to it is actually doing this. Now, the problem with people who come this way, they don't read the chapter, but they think they're going to work in the IT industry. Don't do that, people. Don't do that. And you choose packet tracer and you choose labs. There they go, right there, right? So I see all my labs and packet tracer. So for a packet tracer, I'm going to go here and look for one of the packet tracers. There it is. I'm going to click on it. It's going to take me back to the screen where the work is at, and it's going to show me a packet tracer. So I am not going to click on the first one because I don't need the document. I only need the documents when it comes to labs. What I need for packet tracer is the actual packet tracer file when you complete it. So let's go ahead and download that packet tracer. As you see, it moves really fast on my computer. I can go ahead and download it. And when I download it, you're going to see what I actually need. I need the PKZ or the PKA for packet tracer. So just give me either one. It doesn't have to be a special one. Just give me any one of the ones that you see on your desktop. And you'll see a plethora of them on your desktop. I'm actually going to go to the desktop and show you how they look. Now, my desktop may be a little mess, but don't worry. Oh, it's a clean desktop. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. So I got my desktop black. Okay, so you can see when I downloaded it to the desktop, I saved it and I have 2 files. Now, I didn't go through the save process because I want to see how you save it. But you can see that it's saved on my desktop as 2 particular files. You see it right here and you see it right here. People, any one of those files you can upload to me and I'm going to be able to see your work. I don't want to open it up because I want you to open it up when you get to Packet Tracer and you do the work in it and you save it and you see how it looks. Now, I also downloaded the PDF. I don't need this. So watch what I do. I'm going to take it and delete it. Now, you may take it and use it to actually review what you need to do to complete the assignment. But remember, packet tracers, these are the things you will upload it. Now, people, I'm not going to show you how to upload a file. You know exactly. I showed you where to go in D2L, so you know exactly what to do to be able to upload a file. Just go there and do that. Just upload the file. That's it. So that's simple as it can be. Now, listen, if you have any problems with uploading the file, just reach out to me. Remember, for labs, All I need is the document, the Word document completed and uploaded. For packet tracers, all I need is the PKZ file. I don't need the PDF or none of that. Complete the packet tracer, save it with your name on it, and then upload them. Okay? So this is Professor Sistrunk. I'm trying to make this as short as possible. So please feel free to reach out to me for any more assistance.